I'm Daze Thomas, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from SNS College of Engineering. Today, let us discuss about cyber security. What is computer security? As we all know, we need to protect our assets. In general, our assets are our house, our vehicle, our gold, our money, all these are our assets. So for a computer, it is also having some assets. So we need to protect those assets. What are the assets of a computer? It is the hardware, software, and the data. So we need to protect all the assets of a computer. That is computer security or cyber security. The protection of the assets of a computer system is called computer security or cyber security. And these assets include hardware devices, software, and data. So let us see the assets of a computer in detail. In hardware, you have computer devices like disk drives, memory, printer, scanner, your camera, all these, and network gear. In software side, you have the operating system, utilities like antivirus, commercial applications, word processing, photo editing, and other individual applications that you download. And data includes the documents, photos, music videos, email, your class projects, etc. So we need to protect all hardware, software, and data in order to keep your computer secure. In the above hardware, software, and data, as you can see, hardware and software are off the shelf and are easily replaceable. But your data and other things are unique and they are irreplaceable, which is very confidential and we need to protect them. Now we'll discuss the basic terms in cybersecurity as vulnerability, threat, attack, countermeasure, or control. What is the meaning of vulnerability? Vulnerability is any weakness in a system, in a security system is called vulnerability. That is in it can be in the procedure or in the design or in the implementation that can be exploited to cause any loss or harm. That is called vulnerability. Next one is threat. Threat to a computing system is a set of circumstances or situations that has the potential to cause loss or that is called a threat. It is a potential violation of security. And next one is attack. Attack means a human or a criminal who exploits the vulnerability and penetrates to the system to cause an attack. That is a attack. Then how do we address these problems or what are the measures we take to overcome these problems are called the solutions or controls. Now, what is the main difference between threat and vulnerability? Okay, we'll discuss it. Relationship among threats, controls, and vulnerabilities. A threat is blocked by control of a vulnerability. To devise controls, we must know as much about threats as possible. So in this image, you can see there is a wall and on one side of the wall you can see some water and on the other side of the wall there is a man. And you can see in the wall there is a crack. So water is the threat and the crack on the wall is the vulnerability and the finger is kept to control. So that is the relationship between threat, vulnerability and control. Now we will discuss about CIA triad. C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, and A stands for availability. Along with these two, we have two more desirable characteristics for cybersecurity, that is authentication and non-repudiation. Authentication is the process or action of proving or showing something to be true, genuine, or valid. Non-repudiation is the assurance that someone cannot deny something. That is, non-repudiation refers to the ability to ensure a party to a contract or a communication cannot deny the authenticity of their approach on a document or sending a message that they have already sent. So, cybersecurity is having three main properties, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability.